Looks like mainly snow, but just how much? So here we go with the system we're watching. The Arctic front is back out through the Ohio Valley, snowing in Cincinnati, Louisville, back to Paducah, Memphis, Little Rock, Arkansas. Look at the snow back to Dallas, blossoming there. This is moving east, but actually very slowly. It'll stall and fade away and then regenerate. We'll show you that coming up in the main weather. A little unusual for the type of system we're going to have to get snow from this, but it looks like we will. Winter storm watch is up from Boston and warnings all the way down to Houston and Brownsville, Texas. This system covering thousands of square miles and areas again along the Gulf Coast. This is round number 3 of winter weather this year. Very unusual to have that happen that far south so often, and we're only halfway through meteorological winter. Here's our first alert predictor, though. Notice after midnight tomorrow night, a little bit of snow off to the west, but look what happens. It blossoms and intensifies. This is a new run just in, but it's just like the others we've had all day. So morning commute, temperatures right around 30, 32, may begin as a bit of rain in spots, but quickly change over to snow. It continues to snow, and notice even the intensities, it gets a little darker there, a little heavier snow through the morning hours, and then after midday, it quickly begins to shut off mid-afternoon into the very early evening hours, and may even see a little sun before it sets in western parts of the viewing area if that timing is right. So another quick hitter, but it may tally up to an inch or two. It clears on out, turns very cold Wednesday night. Snowfall potential 1 to 2 inches, northern parts of the triangle up into southern Virginia with potentially an inch from Raleigh to the south. These numbers may have to be thrown up a little bit based on some of the guidance we're seeing this evening, but certainly looks like not a major winter storm, but a noticeable one as we get into Wednesday. We're still, again, a little bit of ways out, so we'll be watching it through the day tomorrow. Much more on this and a big warm up later this week. That's coming up in a bit. Steve?